change the cabin air filter. I believe this is the part number for a 2006 Chevy Impala. This was the first year that they had them. So the only tool that you're really going to need is this tool. And that's to pull the plastic rivets out. There's usually 2 of them, but somebody's already changed this one and forgot to put this back in. But there's a hole right here. And then there's another one up in this corner. So you can just pry up until the pin comes out. And then there's the plastic part underneath of it. And then the next part you do is you just take the weather strip back. And then you move it out, pull it out. Now there is a washer, a plastic washer line for the sprayer. The spray comes out on the windshield from here. So you just have to move it out of the way. Next thing you got to do is just lift this up. Take this, it's got 3 clips, 1, 2, a third one here, and that just holds it from falling down in the front. You just take it out, move that, and there's your filter right there. It sits in a tray right here. All your fresh air comes into this wiper cowl area, and it goes into the car from here. This keeps all the dirt from going into the air conditioner evaporator, the blower fan, and all that. So it just pulls out. Don't drop all the garbage in there, because there's all kinds of garbage. You see all these leaves and stuff in here, all this nasty stuff, and who knows how long this thing's been in here. That makes your car smell. So go ahead and put the new one in, Anna. And you see that this white tab right here? This is how you're supposed to be able to easily pull it out. So yeah, you should be able to just slide it in, and it fits right over the top of this hole. So go ahead and just slide it in there. You may have to bend it a little bit just to slide it, push it back in, to push it in all the way or whatever. It's paper, so it's no big deal.
Oh no.
Yeah, like that. And just slide it back. Yep, keep going and push it in the back. It's probably just jammed up in the back corner there a little. There you go. Is it all the way in?
Yeah.
Okay, now put this cover back on. Take this cover right here, put that on. Just got to get these 3 things to sit on the top, and this seal goes on the bottom. And it kind of just fits in its spot down there. Yep, and then push forward. Is it jammed right here?
The one on the right is not down.
And then it just kind of slides into place right here. I think this little tab right here kind of holds it in that spot. Then this piece here, it just kind of slides up into this part of the window right here where you see this gap right here. You can see the paint. This thing kind of fits into there. So it kind of goes up that way. But you can see all this dirt right in here, so you know that this piece has been covering it. I can't really see it from here, but this goes over there. And this gap thing right here fits in this metal right here. So I guess this is really the hardest part of doing this thing, is just getting this thing to line up in there. So see if you can get it to line up in there, and we'll go from there. This is the hard part right here, is just getting this thing to line up. So let's see if I can get this to stay right here. and then try to get this to push in. That's it. This hole lines up. This thing here ends up with where there should have been another pin right there. And then when you're doing these rivets, you just stick this back in here like that. Stick it in this hole, and then just stick this pin thing back in here. I was trying to get the pin to stay in there, but it's just easier to put in when it's partially started. That's it. That's all there is to that. And then this thing just fits right along this edge right here. It fits right into this groove. This weather strip right here. That's all there is to that. So one tool to get that little plastic thing out. There should have been 2 pins. There's one missing there. But now the cabin air filter's clean and replaced, so that'll do it for the cabin air filter on a 2006 Impala. Thanks for watching.